The Bullseye Forecaster Indicator, which is a powerful and highly effective tool available for various trading platforms on the comprehensive TradingFinder website, provides valuable insights. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts displaying bullish and bearish trends within the market. Traders can effectively utilize the Bullseye Forecaster Indicator to accurately identify prevailing price trends and subsequently enter advantageous buy or sell trades within the market, specifically based on clear trendline breakouts. When the market price decisively breaks above the established indicator line, we can confidently consider entering a profitable buy trade. Conversely, when the market price clearly breaks below the same indicator line, we can then strategically enter a beneficial sell trade. For example, in this section, as the price moved and broke above this line, we could have entered a buy position, and as we can see, the price then moved upward and entered an uptrend. Here as well, we see that the price broke below the indicator line, and we could have entered a sell trade at this point. And we can see that this pattern has repeated multiple times, where we could have made good profits from each breakout. This indicator doesn't have any settings, and no matter which chart we apply it to, it identifies and displays market trends based on its calculations. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.